So guys, what do you want to do today?
I don't want to do anything.
What do you want to do, Oink Oink?
I don't know we should do. Excuse me. I think that we should do. Right, he's got the hiccups. Okay, let's get this over with. Okay, look, take a sip. I think it hit. Any ideas, Trunkle?
Oh, I know. Okay, Oink Oink. For the next 10 seconds, you are going to hold your breath.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I think it hit. I need that one, Mike. Oh, I've got an idea. I'm going to call Rex.
So I just scared him?
Yeah.
Okay.